हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द सेकंड एपिसोड ऑफ व्हाट द वर्ड। आज का हमारा वर्ड है इंट्रापर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन। अब इंट्रापर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन क्या होता है? वी हैव हर्ड अबाउट इंटरपर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन, दैट इज टू पीपल टॉकिंग टू ईच अदर. मास कम्युनिकेशन, दैट इज अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल टॉकिंग. एंड देन वी टॉक अबाउट ग्रुप कम्युनिकेशन, यानी कि 6-7 लोग आपस में बात कर रहे हैं. बट व्हाट इज इंट्रापर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन? व्हाई इज इट सो कंफ्यूजिंग? मैं बताती हूँ. वेन कम्युनिकेशन के अंदर आपके अलावा कोई और हो ही नहीं, तो उसको बोलते हैं हम इंट्रापर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन. Intrapersonal communication can be your communication with your ancestors, maybe communicating with ghosts, जिसको काला जादू बोलते हैं, या फिर हम बोल सकते हैं कि communication with God, communication with our own self, when we are communicating about our own self to ourselves. Intrapersonal communication can be your self-love, when you're making strategy for your own self. For example, during exams, you're telling your own self that tomorrow I'm going to wake up at 12 and I'm going to sleep at 12. I need to study 10 hours anyhow. In that particular moment, you're not talking to somebody, you're talking to your own self. There's a communication that is going within your own self. Recalling a memory, maybe some kind of imagination, maybe talking to your own self, to God, to ghost, to aliens, to anybody like that. You are going to take on intrapersonal communication. If you are liking this series and you want a series for unit 2 as well, you need to just type 2 in the comment section and I will make a series for you. So do consider liking, subscribing and sharing our videos. If you want to learn more from me, you can download my application from the link given below and benefit yourself.